Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I am going to be unboxing the ChooChoo. This is a white narrow end table. All right, here we go. It is about a foot wide, so you can put in a narrow place if you need it. I have this little drawer here. You can put your remotes or whatever you want in there. On the bottom has a nice little shelf where we can put all kinds of accessories. And then the back invisible portion here, you put books or maybe coasters and things like that in there. So pretty handy there. A lot of these, that would just be wasted space that you wouldn't be able to use because most of the drawers are only about yay big. And then if this was just solid, you wouldn't have any space in there. So pretty handy little side table, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.